Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. Today I'm going to be doing a buffalo plaid pillow design for you today. Now I'm going to be using our 17 by 17 inch pillowcase that we offer at Chalk Couture, and then this is one of our brand new Couture Inc mats. And I have to tell you, this fits perfectly with inside this pillowcase. And the other thing I love about this is, first of all, if you're using a thinner fabric, this will prevent any bleed through. And then secondly, one side of that is it has an adhesive surface to it. So that allows your fabric to stick to it to give you a nice, smooth, even surface. Now this is our buffalo plaid transfer, and I was so excited when they released this. And I'm using our red Couture ink, and then this is our large squeegee. And that is one tip I want to tell you. This squeegee works absolutely perfect for this design. And then my other tip for you is Matthew's going to come in here and help me hold this to peel off my transfer. He held down the pillowcase while I pulled the transfer off, and it came out absolutely perfect. Now, you're going to want to make sure this layer is dry before you do another layer. And then once it dries, you're going to put parchment paper in on either side. So you will remove the Couture Inc mat, and then you're going to apply your parchment paper to each side, and you're going to iron each side for 4 minutes. And that is going to set your ink to become permanent. Now, once that is done, I can go ahead with the second layer, and I am going to be using our welcome transfer, just a little part of it, and it says, "Let's stay home." And I just cut that out, and then I'm just going to put it on the corner of the pillow, and I'm going to use my black Couture ink. So once again, it's the same process. You'll apply it, you'll allow it to dry, you're going to iron it on both sides for 4 minutes, and then that's going to set it to make it permanent. Now the same cleanup process for the transfers when you use Couture inks is exactly the same. So you'll put them in water and Clorox wipes, and you'll be able to reuse them again anywhere from 8 to 12 uses. Now the inside of your pillow, you can just purchase those at any home store or on Amazon. It's just a 17-inch pillow insert. And then you've got a completed design. And I have to tell you, I absolutely loved how this turned out. So if you would love to learn more about all the great things you can do with Chalk Couture, or if you're interested in being a designer like me and sharing the opportunity and having sip and takes or make and takes with others, please reach out to me at chalkinwithjen.com, as I would love to share this amazing opportunity with you.